Are you a man dealing with erectile dysfunction? Want to learn about a safe, natural solution that requires no needles, drugs, or surgery? In the next 60 seconds, I will tell you everything you need to know about this revolutionary new option for men's vitality and sexual performance. Wave therapy is a new advanced solution that has helped men around the world to restore their natural erection firmness, duration, and sensitivity. As men get older, they may experience weaker erections and have less sensitivity. The main cause of erectile dysfunction is diminished blood flow to the penis. Wave therapy treats the root cause of erectile dysfunction by using low-intensity sound waves to restore and even enhance natural blood flow to the penis, allowing you to achieve better, more sustainable erections. During the wave treatment, painless energy waves are transmitted through the erectile tissues, producing vital growth factors and increasing nitric oxide formation. Wave also stimulates the formation of new blood vessels, which results in an improved blood flow to the penis in a process called angiogenesis. This leads to more sensitive and satisfactory erections whenever and wherever you want. Wave therapy is provided in the comfort of your men's health clinic with no pain and no surgery. Don't settle for erectile dysfunction treatments that get in the way or have side effects. Take back control naturally with Wave therapy. Contact a men's health specialist today to discover if Wave therapy is right for you.